influencers that you can follow. Pick a few and figure out which ones you like to watch. Just by watching their channels, you will be able to get ideas and maybe inspired to try out something you see them do. Here are a few ones I recommend you start off following. Rosanna Pancino, who does desserts and baking, Millie Peartree, who does soul food and southern cooking, and Sanchez, who does Mexican cooking. Just like the convenience store, fast food, and delivery apps, coffee should not be a daily habit. Instead, it can be more of an occasional treat. Some people get into the habit of going once or even multiple times a day for coffee in order to stay alert and awake. Even a regular cup of coffee can be $2 to $3, and specialty coffees can be $5 to $7. And just like other places we talked about, this adds up to a lot over time. Hopefully, you don't need coffee in your daily life now. But if you're allowed to drink it or you do, a coffee machine can cost you about $30. Or you can get a French press for around $20 for a good one. Instant coffee is also an option. And although it might not taste as good, you can add things such as sugar, milk, cream, or other ingredients to make it taste to your liking. A daily coffee habit can run you about $2,000 a year, and I'm sure you'd rather spend that money on something else.